Hello students, welcome to this video class. In this class, let's look at the summary of the poem Jazz Poem 2. This poem is written by Carl Wendell Hines Jr. So just like the summary of Grandma Climbs a Tree, this summary is also very important. Now let's look at the summary of the poem Jazz Poem 2. In the first part, let us describe the appearance of the black jazz musician. The appearance of the black jazz player. The black jazz musician stands alone like the black ancient mariner. He is standing alone. He is old. The jazz musician is old and his face is full of wrinkles. His head is turned downwards, his head is bent, and his face is unshaven, and he looks very sad. He is wearing an old blue coat which has frayed collars. Frayed means torn collars. The coat is dark with sweat, and an old necktie is hanging loosely on his sagging stomach. His shoes have holes in them and they have paper. He has an old alto saxophone which is supported by a wire coat hanger. So he has a musical instrument. What is it? It is an old alto saxophone. So saxophone is actually used in jazz music. He gently lifts it to play the music. He gently lifts it to play music. So this is the appearance of the black jazz player. In the second part, let us look at the transformation of the black jazz musician after he starts playing the music. The transformation, the change. He was standing alone. He looks very old. He is wearing an old coat. We understood the appearance. Now let's look at the transformation. So he has this wonderful gift of music. He makes the people listen to him. He has a message to the people of the world. So what is he preaching? He tells the world that he is a black man and he preaches the black gospel of jazz. Children, you know that in olden days, the black Americans did not have any right to vote. They did not have any freedom. They were used as slaves. So this is a story of such people. They were oppressed. They were oppressed people. So now this black jazz musician is telling that he is a black man and he is preaching the black gospel of jazz. That means he is a man, he is a human being just like everyone. When he plays music, he feels like a bird that flies high and higher. So whenever he is playing music, he has the freedom which he does not have in the real society. But when he stops the music, he feels like a black man once again. He comes back to this ordinary world, everyday world. His music has the power to make him forget his sadness and makes him free. So that means his music has the real power to change his condition. That is the transformation we are talking about. Whenever he plays the music, he feels free. He forgets that he is a black man. He is suffering. So he is a pathetic figure to look at. He is an old man with wrinkles. It does not look good. He is a pathetic figure to look at, but a commanding artist, a great musician. So he is silent in speech. He is not preaching anything. He is not using words. He is not making a speech, but he is eloquent in music. So that means he makes people listen through his music. So that means he has a wonderful gift of God. So this is the summary of the poem, Jazz Poem 2.